Hey guys, what's going on? So I just am here to tell you a little bit about something that I purchased as a gag gift for my sister-in-law for Christmas. My husband has such a big family that it's just too much to get a gift for everybody. So we decided we're just going to do like a Secret Santa with all the girls. There's 4 of us, and I got my sister-in-law, and she's very funny, and she has like a very wonderful sense of humor. So I thought she would definitely get a kick out of this mug. Oh, and she loves mugs. And in the winter, who doesn't love a mug for a good cup of hot chocolate, coffee, tea, whatever you like to drink that's hot. So I bought her, because we're supposed to spend 50 bucks. So the thing that I bought her came out to like 45. So I'm like, oh, I want to get her like a little, I got her like a nice gift, and then I wanted to get her a little gag gift. So I asked her husband, I said, what do you think I should get her for Christmas? So I can, get her a little, like, what kind of gag gift would she like? And he's like, oh, well, she loves mugs. I said, all right. So I saw this, and it cracked me up, and I thought of her. It's like a Trump mug. So it's just funny, like, not even to be political, but just whether you like or you don't like Trump, it's hysterical either way. And I think it's just kind of shows the times. It's 2018, Trump is the president, and it just cracks me up because it's like like a catchphrase, and it's something that, like, in the way that he would talk or say it. So it says, you are a great, great sister. Very beautiful, very smart, huge heart, really terrific. Believe me, everyone agrees. And if I can do like a Donald Trump impression, believe me, everyone agrees. Because that's like the way he would say it. So I sent a picture of this to my brother-in-law, and he's like, she'll love it. She'll think it's hysterical. And then it just says the same thing on the back. And then it has like a little cartoon of him with his thumbs up. It's hysterical. And like I said, I'm not like much of a political person, but I think that whether you do or don't like Trump, because I know there's a lot of animosity these days, I think either way people will find it funny. So, let's see on the back here. It says Orca Coastings and made in China. So I'm pretty sure this is actually like 100% ceramic, but I'm not 100% certain, but I'm pretty sure it is. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and obviously safe to put hot liquid in, which is what it's for. You can hand wash it too, and obviously the decal will stay on. So it feels pretty sturdy, not too heavy, but I think this is like 12 ounces, so you could fit 12 ounces of liquid in here, which I usually, when I make coffee, I just do it in the Keurig, and I make 10 ounces of coffee in the morning and add a little milk to it. So this is the perfect size for that. See the bottom, and it seems like a good material, easy to hold. You can fit 4 fingers in it. My fingers are kind of small, so I have like a little extra room, and I think it's just something funny to like laugh at, and just always remember, like, this time period. And my mom still has mugs from like when she first had me that say new mommy. So I think mugs are something that lasts forever and ever, no matter how many times you wash them. So I thought this would be nice to give to her. She could have her morning cup of coffee and her morning laugh with it. So guys, this is Trump's sister mug. I think it makes a great gag gift for someone if you have a sister or sister-in-law, in my case. And I hope you guys found the video useful. And I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.